Good morning, my neighbors. Welcome back, man, to another video. And today we are back on the patio, Operation Patio Take Back. And boom, we are clearing it back off. Cause today we got a pressure washer. So today we are about to pressure wash the patio, man. Get this thing all suited and booted. Cause we got a few little toys on the inside of the house. I'm gonna take y'all in there in a minute, but we finna see what we can do. Got my little helper here, clearing out the patio. I'm gonna help him with that. But yeah, we gotta see if we can get some of this stuff gone, man, and clean up some of this stuff, all them little spots and stuff. I don't know what that is, man. Little bugs. If y'all know what this little stuff here be, comment below. Like some little bugs be dropping turds or hatching eggs. I don't know what they be doing. All type of lizards and stuff be running around here at night. But yeah, we finna get this thing crunk, man. And today we working with, who we have? Got the brand new pressure washer, man. I don't know if this a Karcher. Oh yeah, these are some more gifts and stuff for the patio. We finna come on with it, man. Hold on, let me get y'all a little better light. Alright. Yeah, we got the 58 inch finna come out here, man. But it ain't about that right now. That's the next video, which we gonna do tomorrow. But yeah, we got the Karcher. Somebody let me know how to pronounce that. I'm gonna go with Karcher. I think this is German or something like that. But we got the Karcher, the Karcher 2100 PSI electric pressure washer, man. And shout out to my job, man, because I got this for freezy for my 20-year anniversary. Yes, round of applause. I've been on my job for 20 years. But let me get politically correct. If you're here for the first time, hit that like button, subscribe button, keep on rocking with the channel. Going and growing, the name of the game. You already know we live in H-Way. Now back to this. We finna try to pressure wash this back patio with our brand new Karcher 2100 PSI. And we finna learn how to use this thing, man. I never used a pressure washer, so this might be pretty interesting. But yeah, if you never used a pressure washer, click the video and let's see what we got. So let's get this thing outside. See y'all outside. Alright, we back outside, man. Y'all never mind my face if it look a little two-tone. I had my hat on. I just cut the grass and everything. But yeah, we got the Karcher pressure washer. I need to learn how to say that. Fuck it. It's H-Way. Oh, never mind this, y'all. You gotta keep some fire around you at all times. But that's a 1911 T-Sus 1911. Go check out the video on Living H-Way, but if you want to know about it. But let's get this thing open, man. Always cut away from you, people. Always cut away from you. Safety first. Why don't you point at me? Karcher, whatever this thing called. Karcher. Yeah. Let's see what we got in here, man. We got some paperwork. Alright, we got this thing over, man. We got some paperwork in here for you to fill out. I guess to register it for the warranty. But you know how we feel about paperwork. Operational manual. Just let you know. Pretty good. Know what I'm saying? But I picture read, so I don't need that here. But let's see what we got in here, man. Got a box. You can get down in here. Where I put it at? Got this. Supposed to come out together. Hold on, let me get this box right now. No. Oh, it come semi put together. Shit. Let's see what we got here, man. From Karcher. I'm going with Karcher. Karcher. Nice. Nice, man. Unboxing of the 2100 PSI Karcher. And we got 2 boxes. Let's see what we got in these boxes. I'm trying to hold y'all too long. Let's see what we got here. We got wheels. 1 wheel. 2 wheels. See what we got in this box. We got hoses. We got the gun. I got my own gun, but this is the pressure washer gun. Branded with Karcher, whatever the name is. I'm gonna figure out that name, y'all. Alright, I got the name right, y'all. It's a Karcher. Karcher. We're gonna go with Karcher. If that's wrong, I apologize. But this is the Karcher 2100 PSI electric pressure washer. Now we back to it. We got the wheels, we got the gun, branded with Karcher on it, and we got the wand, metal wand. Got the metal wand, man. Nice sturdy wand. This is nice and sturdy. Decent. Let's see how to set this up. Notice I ain't look at no instructions, which could be a mistake. Alright, I'm gonna look at some instructions. We got a nice hose here. And we got the wheels, so let's get this thing set up. See what we got here, man. I got a nice little diagram for y'all to look at. You know what I'm saying? See where the wheels go. And that's it. And that's what I'm finna go by the diagram. Okay, that's what I supposed to been did. We'll get to that later. Alright, so let's put the wheels on. 13, they just look like they just snap on. So let's see what we got. Let's go right here. Let me tell it. We learning together, y'all. Living H way. On Living H way, we learn together. Now, that was quick and easy. But the pin look like they'll fall out, so I don't think that's right. Insert wheels into the body of the machine, secure with the pin. They pretty much just had it. Yeah, it's pretty much just got them cement like this. That was right. I'm just gonna turn it. Turn it down like that, y'all. That's supposed to be secure. I guess. Let's test it out. Well, that's how mine's going on. Next we have, so 1, we got the wheels. 2 is push the handle into place. I already did when I got it out. I'm gonna learn how to snap that handle. The handle supposed to, okay, I got a button right here. If you want to collapse the handle, button, fold it down, snap into place. Hooking up the hose, fitting on the side. So right here we got, take this off. That's where the water hose connects to. Supposed to be a fitting somewhere, ain't it? You got everything out?
Yeah.
Oh, here they go. Okay, so this is the power cord. And we got the fittings in here. Y'all learning with me, baby. This goes right here. And then your hose pipe go into there. Put that on there. Next we got racks for your everything else to hold. This is the turbo nozzle. Goes in the turbo slot. They label right here, 15-degree nozzle. They labeled on here too. Can you focus in on that?
Yeah.
See that 40? So this the 40-degree nozzle. I'm thinking it just push in. This my 15. Push in. And this is the soap nozzle. Push in. Only thing left is hooking up the hose, which goes, I'll do that right, by the foot pedal, right here. This is the out area. Looks like both ends are the same. So you just go for what you know. Let's see here, stick that in there, screw it on. That don't look right. Seems like to me I should go further than that. There you go. Got that on. This connects to this. I think that's where the soap. I thought it had a soap bottle too. Guess not. And put the nozzle on. Y'all see I came back to these directions. This end do go on here. Some kind of way. Just gotta line it up and screw it on. Till it gets tight. That's tight. So looking good there, well. Check my fins. How we looking, y'all? Looking like we know what we doing? I think I'm gonna start off with the 40-degree nozzle for the concrete. I don't know how this works. Always just pull in, stick down, and it's secure. So just pull down, stick in, secure. Now we ready to go. Let's get some water hooked up and get the power on it, and we'll be back. We got the Karcher all set up. I'm gonna say it fast so I can sound like I'm saying it right. So when you first hook up the pressure washer, you got to connect the water, let the water flow through, and then unplug. You got to run it for 30 seconds. Get all the air out. And once your water is flowing freely, you're ready to go. I think that's it. got water flowing through pretty free. It works. They didn't sell me a dud. Alright, so first we gotta get the we're gonna move the couch and then we're gonna get it going on that thing.
Levels.
Power button right here with the foot pedal. Maybe I should have blew this out some more. Hold on.
Good thumbnail.
Let's see what this thing do, man. Let's go. Oh, I need to cut it on. I don't know what I'm doing. Might need to get the kink out of the line. I don't know what I'm doing. It's my first time trying to pressure wash anything, but I'm just gonna wet this patio and get it a little cleaner than what it was. WeDaLife, but I think I need that little circle thing that go actually on the concrete to get the rest of this, because it's kind of embedded deep. It's knocked the top layer off, so we'll come back at another day and totally get this thing spotless. But for now, man, the 2100 pressure, 2100 pounds. If I had like a 35 or something, it'd probably be a big difference. But didn't do bad, man. I'm getting all up here too. Oh, that was dirty, man. We just trying to clean this thing out. So tomorrow, we coming with something else. But living next way, man. Like, comment, subscribe. We'll get it y'all to know. And it's a quick little video of the Karcher 2100 PSI pressure washer, man. And I'm doing my patio with it. I spray the furniture. I will be doing my cars and everything with it. So yeah, 2100 PSI Karcher. It can do your concrete a little bit, but I think I need that attachment to go and get it, scrub that up. You know what I'm saying? So we'll get it y'all another video, man. Living next way. Yeah. Alright, man, we back out here. It's the next day, morning time, and we got something done, man. It's not bad, I guess, for my first time using a pressure washer. But here we go. So you can see the difference from this patio to that one. That's what all that over there look like.
Ooh, this patio looks cleaner than before.
Yeah, it do, don't it? Turned out pretty good, man. And I also was able to kind of clean this off too. Like, oh, this was like, you can see what the old spot, probably can't like, see, but.
Did y'all clean around the camera too?
Yeah, we cleaned the whole thing. I sprayed all this around here. You can see we had plenty of those little spots like that. But it was plenty of those everywhere, man. So
y'all did so good.
we cleaned the whole thing. With the Karcher. The Karcher 2100, man. I think this
There's a word
is supposed to wrap up around here. I'm gonna fix that up.
Dad. There's a word.
Well. But yeah, man.
What?
This is patio tape back, man. And we got this thing cleaned off. My partner gonna let me borrow a circle one to kind of see if I can get this all the way clean. I want to see if I can get this. Well, that stuff was, I don't know if it was like mildew or whatever coming out. Oh, here go another worm. Why these worms want to come on my little patio? This ain't for y'all no more, man. I'm taking it back.
They probably like it now.
I guess. Let your brother shoot stuff. I sprayed this too, man. It was full of cobwebs and all that. Got it kind of clean. Hopefully I can redo that too one day. But yeah, man. Next step will be we upgrading the TV.
If the TV is in there, that's
the TV. I'm gonna put some blinds or something hanging, shades, 2 shades right here, and some lights going all the way around. And hopefully we probably can upgrade this because it didn't dry rotted. We had it for so long. You see it's dry rotting.
And the bird's been pooping on our couches.
Yeah, birds been pooping on it and all that. Cats and all type of stuff been running back up over here. But yeah, that's in the near future, man. Living H-Way, man. We'll see y'all in another one. Like, comment, subscribe, man. This is patio tape back vlog pressure washer edition. And we're gonna have a TV hanging edition coming up next, man. My boy on the way this morning. So shout out to Black, man. He finna go on ahead and hook your boy up. So we're gonna bring that video too. But this to close out this one. We'll see y'all in another one, man. Living H-Way.
It's me.
Love y'all, man. We out of here.